Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen appliances. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the IMUSA USA GAU Cup Espresso Maker. Whether you're a seasoned barista or just starting out, this espresso machine is designed to deliver a rich and flavorful cup of coffee with ease. Stay tuned as we uncover its features, walk you through its functionality, and provide you with valuable tips and tricks along the way. Let's get started. The IMUSA USA GAU Cup Espresso Maker is a compact and sleek machine that fits perfectly in any kitchen countertop. Its modern design and stainless steel finish add a touch of elegance to your coffee brewing experience. Equipped with a powerful 800-watt motor, this espresso maker heats up quickly, ensuring you can enjoy your coffee in no time. One of the standout features of the IMUSA USA GAU Cup Espresso Maker is its easy-to-use control panel. The clearly labeled buttons and intuitive interface make it a breeze to navigate through the different settings. Whether you prefer a single shot or a double shot, this machine has got you covered. Simply select your desired option, and the IMUSA USA GAU-18202 will do the rest. Let's talk about the quality of the espresso produced by this machine. The IMUSA USA GAU utilizes a 4-cup capacity carafe, allowing you to brew multiple cups of espresso at once. The carafe is made from durable glass, which not only looks great but also helps maintain the temperature of your coffee. With this espresso maker, you can enjoy a smooth and velvety cup of espresso that rivals your favorite coffee shop. Cleaning and maintenance are essential when it comes to coffee machines, and the IMUSA USA GAU makes it a breeze. The removable drip tray and water reservoir can be easily detached and cleaned, ensuring a hygienic brewing environment. The machine also features a built-in steam wand, perfect for frothing milk and creating lattes and cappuccinos. To demonstrate the performance of the IMUSA USA GAU espresso maker, let's make a delicious cup of espresso together. Start by filling the water reservoir with fresh, cold water, and ensure the carafe is in place. Grind your favorite coffee beans to a fine consistency and add them to the filter basket. Lock the basket into the machine, select your desired shot size, and hit the brew button. Watch as the machine works its magic, extracting the flavors and aromas from the coffee grounds. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep brewing and enjoying your favorite cup of coffee.